Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Rumiza Sheikh, and today I'm going to be talking to you about a very cool website which you probably haven't checked out by now. But once you do, you just won't do without it. So without much delaying, let's dive right in. So the website we're talking about is called AlternativeTo, the link to which will be provided in the description below. Guys, this website basically provides alternatives to you. Alternatives to what? Let's find out. Now on the main menu bar out here, you can check out these different options of Windows, Mac, Android, development, your username, your lists, etc. Now Windows, when I click Windows, let's see what comes up. Yes, and here we have different sorts of applications and softwares. Google Chrome, Notepad++, 7-Zip, GIMP, TeamViewer, MuTorrent, CCleaner, and the list is huge. Here in the search box, it asks us to find an alternative to. Yes, this is the major objective of this website. It gives you alternatives to high-end softwares. Now, for example, I am a YouTuber and I need to edit videos of mine, whichever I need to upload on my channel. So now one of the best softwares in the editing world is Adobe Premiere Pro. Let me find an alternative to it because Adobe Premiere Pro has a high-end subscription cost. So let's check out what alternatives Alternative 2 can find out for me. Now in the search box, I type Adobe Premiere Pro and here it has 82 alternatives. Okay, let's check that out. Okay, now on this page, Adobe Premiere Pro appears, and here I have a brief description, sort of a thing of the software. And okay, it says it edits video faster than ever before with the powerful, more connected Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Dozens of brand new features include a redesigned timeline, improved media management, and streamlined color grading. Sync your settings and shortcuts to any computer in any edit bay in the world and get access to new features the moment they're released. Your entire creative world together in one place. And here's what the main thing is all about. Alternatives to Adobe Premiere Pro. The first one is Kdenlive. Kdenlive is an intuitive and powerful multi-track video editor compatible most recent video technologies. It is completely free. Okay, you guys, can we just check out Kdenlive? Yes. And here it is. Kdenlive is a free and open source full featured video editor. That's all. That's right there. Free and open source. Guys, if you go out and try to find the subscription cost of Adobe Premiere Pro, I think that is the main thing which has inspired people to come up with these free and open source applications, because not everyone can really go and opt for those high-end subscriptions. So let's read about Kdenlive. It is an intuitive and powerful multi-track video editor compatible most recent video technologies. It is completely free and open source as defined by the GNU Foundation. I'm so sorry. The license is free. Supported platforms are Mac, Windows, Linux, BSD, KDE. Kdenlive is listed in Open Free Soft Must Have. The first 20 apps are installed on the new Windows PC, open source and free animation, VFX, GNU, Linux, Mint Essential, and Linux graphics. This is it. Screenshots of the application are very well and clearly put out here. Okay, this looks pretty good. Yes, this is Kdenlive. And guys, Kdenlive was not the only alternative out there. It had 82 different alternatives. Let's check those out. DaVinci Resolve. Okay. And Magix Vegas Pro. Okay, all these are, I guess, free alternatives to Adobe Premiere Pro. Yes, looks like. Shortcut. OpenShot. Okay, and the list goes on and on and on. Final Cut Pro X. Yes. Okay, now let's check the sections above. Let's check development. Okay, so these these are your categories of the various niches of apps and softwares. You have them in development, office and productivity, games, social and communication. Let's check out social and communications. Skype, Thunderbird, Steam, Picasa, Spotify, WordPress. Okay, let's check out Skype and alternatives to it. Here's our description of Skype. And alternatives to Skype are Discord, Telegram. Yes, guys, I've been a regular user of Telegram. Talks, Hangouts, Signal, Jitsi, Wire, Slack. Yes. So, you can actually just go out and search for any particular application or software which is requiring you to, sign up for a subscription or something. You might just end up finding a free alternative. Let's check out MS Word. That is one of the most basic applications, according to me. MS Word. Here it is. Its features, and here we have the alternatives. We have the LibreOffice Writer, Google Docs, WPS Writer, Apache, OpenOffice Writer, Notion, OnlyOffice, WPS Office. Yes. Now let's get back and look at the other sections. Now let's check out development. Okay, so this is probably a briefing about creating content using technology has become more accessible than ever before, thanks to evolved tool sets, increasingly thorough documentation, and more resources. This runs the gamut from web development to game development to coding and much more. You'll find resources to use, develop, as well as to learn how on this page. Okay, so what I see over here are again different applications. Web development. Okay, here's what they actually mean by development. Web development, text editors, web design. Okay, so probably this page is designed, it probably contains all the development tools and applications and softwares. You have game development, you have SQL, you have different IDEs, web designing, mobile development, JavaScript libraries, Git, web servers, PHP development, issue tracking. Okay, this looks pretty interesting. Moving up, let's get back to our page. Here, let's check this section out here. I'm so sorry. This section out here. Photos and graphics, education and reference, news and books, security and privacy. Okay, this is more about the website. It has quite a big number of sections. Photos and graphics. Okay, so again, these are your applications in this genre. In photos and graphics, Adobe Photoshop, Feedly, Inkscape, Picasa, Paint.net, Telegram, Blender, photo sharing, photo editing, image viewers, and these are your whole warehouse of or storehouse of applications. Isn't this amazing, guys? I mean, free alternatives to all those huge bulky subscription websites, applications and softwares. Here's my profile, and here's a section for notifications, and here's one for lists. Okay, in the list you create your first list, create your own list to share your favorite apps with friends. Okay, and out here is about the website, the forum, the lists, the FAQ, and the blog. Let's check the blog out. On the blog, okay, you have all the different articles about the entire idea of AlternativeTo. Happy 10th anniversary, introducing you to our crowdsourcing coordinator, new login, authentication, and there it is. So guys, I think we've been right through the entire website and basically got a very good idea of what the main objective of the website is. Let's get back to the home page. On the main page, you can see a news and archives sort of section. Yes, here it is, news and archives. And these are all the things new, up, and trending on the website. So, yes, guys, this is all about AlternativeTo. And please do tell me how you like the website, whether you like the review, and how you find it useful. And also in the comments, tell me what alternatives you have been looking for. Thank you so much. See you and have a good day.